She is just a woman, only 32 years old, in agony. A terrified young woman, a woman who can't keep up with the latest trend. Is caused by having a conjuice husband. But all she feels is FOMO. Fear of missing out. All Nasreen wants is a new bag, so she can show off to her new friends, especially Shabana. If you or anyone you know has a spare bag, then please donate it to Nasreen. And you can further show your support by sharing this video. Show her you care. Nasreen needs you.